Hey all, this is Kalyana Sundaram K. Welcome to the fourth episode of Programmer Polyglot, where we explore the latest trends, innovation and ideas in the world of technology. I am your host today, and today we are diving into a topic that has been making waves across the various industries, that is blockchain technology. You have probably heard the term blockchain, right? In the connection with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But what exactly is blockchain and how does it works? Imagine a digital record book shared across a network of computers where entry is visible to everyone and completely tamper proof. That's the essence of blockchain. Transactions are grouped into blocks and each block is cryptographically linked to one another, forming a secure chain. This makes alternating past data is nearly impossible, as any change would require modifying all the subsequent blocks on the network, an incredible difficult feat. Let's break down the blockchain process so powerful. Initially with decentralization, followed by security and efficiency. Decentralization. There is no authority controlling centrally the information. This fosters trust and transparency as everyone on the network has access to same data. Security. Cryptography ensures the integrity of data. Once the transaction is recorded in it, cannot be deleted or changed. Efficiency. Transaction can be verified and completed quickly without need of any intermediaries. But here is the exciting part. Blockchain is not about cryptocurrencies. Its application is extend far beyond finance. Let's explore a few possibilities. Supply chain management, voting systems, identity management, healthcare. The developers who are following Programmer Polyglot must need an basic implementation of blockchain implement. So here we are with the basic Python implementation. Initially, we're gonna explain how to implement a basic blockchain network in Python. First, implement preprocessed directives along with the packages and libraries. Like some of them were hashlib, JSON and time. So we are going to implement the blockchain with index, transaction, timestamp and etc. So after importing libraries, create a class called block with the init function in it, where we are going to store the index, transaction, timestamp followed by previous hash, followed by compute hash, which will be going to get the JSON terms from the dictionaries, where the sort keys will be given true. At last, the function will return an hashlib with a SHA algorithm 256 with a hex digest. So a new block will be created with the function called new_block, which will be containing the new block address, previous hash, block proof and current transaction with a empty array, followed by a new block will be created now. So we're gonna track the last block which is added, which will be done by last_block function. So we can track the last block by the reverse indexing method, which will be -1 if R chain else none. This will be the algorithm under the last block function. So initially we will be explaining like proof of work. The proof of work will be given as compute_hash up to 4 will be equal to 000, which will be a default value. So we will be plotting a new transaction, which will be sender, recipient and amount. Finally, let's create an insert on the blockchain class and add a couple of transactions. Blockchain equal to blockchain, which will be a new network. Blockchain dot new transaction, you will be entering names and the transaction amount. Like for example, we can give names like Kalyan 1000, followed by blockchain dot new transaction Kalyan 1.2000. So the proof value will be around 100. Blockchain dot proof of work, blockchain dot last block. So here we are going to give the last block as proof of work. Blockchain dot new block of proof, which will be the next line. print the blockchain, which will be printing the entire blockchain network. And there you have it. A simple blockchain implementation in Python is done. As you can see, the blockchain technology is still in early ages, but it is potentially vast. As the technology matures, we can expect to even see more innovative applications emerge, transforming through blockchain. Thank you for tuning in this episode of Programming Polyglot. If you enjoy this deep dive into blockchain technology, make sure to subscribe and leave us a review. Stay curious and stay innovative. Keep exploring the wonders of technology. Until next time, I'm Kalyana Sundaram K signing off. Thank you.